let us say a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Now we want to print, like, let us say a space into b is equal to a into b. So this is printing exactly the result, but we have seen in the multiplication table how we should have to write. So everything inside the quotations are treated as strings. So if you want to get the integer inside the variable, you should have to use it outside the quotations. So this we have seen, like print first outside the quotation a, we should get 3, and now inside the colon we will be giving star, and if you want space you can give the space also. Now we will get the value b, and then again we will be writing colon and is equal to symbol, and now we will get the value of a multiplication of b. So this is printing right. So this we have used in our programs until now. So instead of this, there is a one more type, like print, and inside the quotations you can write a pound symbol and flower brackets, space multiplication, and again pound space symbol, flower brackets, is equal to again pound symbol, flower brackets. So now these are very special characters. So this will actually, like here we want the value of a. So what we are telling, get the value from the a and print it here. And now here we want the value of b. We are telling get the value of b and print it here. Now here a multiplication of b, get the value of a, b, multiply them both and give the result. So now we will exit. See here, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So this is easy way than this. Not in this example, I will show you, like name is equal to, let us say, Peter. Name is equal to, we forgot the Peter. Age is equal to 45. And previously what we used to do, we used to write like print and like the name is, and we should come out of the colons and write the name, and again we used to write and age is, and we used to write like this previously. But if you use this method, it is very easy. See, print the name is pound, and it is very clear and not confusing, and age is, we can write everything in single line. So instead of splitting it with commas, we can write it in single, and again pound symbol, and here age, and here name. So the name is Peter and the age is 45. So like this you can use this symbol. So whatever we write inside the flower brackets, it is treated as a variable, and the system will get the assigned value to the name. So here it is Peter. So here what we have assigned, age 45. So it is getting 45 and printing this one. So this one is also very useful. This is the most used one while getting the values from the variables. So instead of writing like the name is comma and age is, if you have a big sentence, it is little bit confusing. This is very clear. So whenever we are declaring the variable, it is getting directly from the variable. It is easy to read also. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.